How to upgrade OsClass. From version 4.4 to 8.3.1, step by step, upgrading OsClass across major versions requires a careful, incremental approach to ensure your database remains intact. In this guide, I'll show you how to safely move from version 4.4 to the latest 8.3.1. Warning: prerequisite. Back up your website. Before making any modifications, always create a full backup of your files and your SQL database. If something goes wrong during the upgrade, you'll need this to restore your site. Step 1. The step-by-step rule. You cannot jump directly from version 3 or 4 to version 8.3.1. Doing so will likely break your installation. Instead, you must upgrade incrementally. Upgrade from 4.4 to 8.0.0. Then 8.0 to 8.1, then 8.1 to 8.2, and so on. Make sure you have downloaded the intermediate zip files for each version before starting. Step 2. Upload and overwrite files. Log into your hosting control panel, e.g., cPanel. Launch the file manager and navigate to your website's root directory. Upload the OsClass 8.0.0 zip file. Extract the contents and overwrite all existing files in your directory. Step 3. Run the database upgrade. Once the files are replaced, you need to update the database schema. Log into your OsClass admin dashboard. You will see a notification stating that an upgrade is available. Click the Upgrade Now button. Step 4. Troubleshooting the duplicate entry error. When jumping between major versions, like 4x to 8x, you may encounter a MySQL error regarding a duplicate entry. Here is how to fix it. Open phpMyAdmin from your control panel. Select your OsClass database. Locate the table named OC_T_preference. Search for the row where the S_ name is, widget_data_product_updates. Delete that specific row. Return to your OsClass admin panel, refresh the page, and click Upgrade Now again. The upgrade should now complete smoothly. Step 5. Complete the chain. Now that you are successfully on version 8.0, repeat the process for the remaining versions, 8.1, 8.2, and finally 8.3.1. Because these are minor updates, you likely won't see the database error again. Final thoughts. Your OsClass script is now up to date. This incremental method is the safest way to ensure your classified site stays functional and secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more technical guides.